Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and this is a quick update to Firefox. There's a new version of the browser available today. If you want to know a little more about the new features, you can go to my Windows and Computer channel. Here we solely talk about the security aspect of the new browser. So Firefox 77 released today, June 2nd, 2020. It is a browser that doesn't have a lot of new features, but it does have a lot of bug fixes. So to know if you are on the latest version or to update your browser, simply go to your Firefox browser, upper right corner in the three horizontal dots or lines that we call a hamburger menu in general. Go down to Help, and here you'll go to About Firefox. If you're not there already, you'll see it update to 77. Usually that is done automatically for the most part, but if you don't see it, check it out here. It has a lot of security fixes. Among them, we have high impact problems or security problems. One is about timing attack on DSA signatures. One is about use after free in shared worker service, that it's called. One is JavaScript type confusion with native types. What do we have? High impact memory safety bugs fixed in Firefox 77. That means there are several of them that are memory corruptions, and these usually are often used by hackers because they are able to inject code to take control of your PC or inject viruses. So it's very important to actually do this and update your browser to stay safe. It is even more important if you're using Firefox on Windows 7, which now has hundreds of security flaws. So Firefox 77 is going to have a lot of fixes that will make you more secure. Remember that high impact means that some hackers might already be exploiting these, and now that they are actually out in the wild and we know about them, for sure in the next weeks these are going to be exploited if you don't update your browser. So check it out, Firefox 77. Once again, just go to Firefox, upper right corner in the three horizontal lines, Help, and About Firefox, and it's going to update to the latest version. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.